Hello. So let me show you where we left off the last time. So we were trying to make the navbar links, the colors of the links white. I wanted to do it on I don't know how to call it, at the type level, like instead of assigning class names to all of these links, I wanted to have something like just here. I want to do something like this. However, this didn't work, and I don't know how to import that. And I think it's a better idea to use class names in this case anyway. So, okay, let's add another class name as this. Actually, I might need to add these to a generic SAS file later on, but come on. Okay, struggling to use the keyboard again. What was it? Okay. Yeah, still learning how to write with learning how to write with a keyboard that doesn't have anything on its keycaps. It's blank keycaps. So I want to learn how to type without looking at the keyboard, which I think is a crucial skill for my job. So okay, now that I have this class name, I'm going to go ahead and paste it there, 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 and there. But now, as you could see, there's code duplication right here, and I probably will change these to be components rather than just duplicating them. So let's see the changes. Right, okay, so, oh, obviously I did not import it yet. Link, and it has to be like this, not like that. Okay. Move all of these inside there. Get this from here and okay. Okay, that should do it. Okay, now that the link colors are white, I can go ahead and turn these into sub-components. So let me take a look at, yeah. So I'm probably going to do the same thing that I did with the experience component. I'm just going to create a folder here called navbar. And I'm going to move navbar down there. Okay, let's see if it, oh, okay, something is not found. Okay, so refactoring does work. Yeah, okay, everything's fine. Now let me copy the smallest component that I have and build on top of that. Yeah, this is fairly small. Even better. Navbar item. So let's see what the properties are going to be. Instead of text, text is, or should I call it title? Yeah, I'll call it title. And also we need to have a reference. Title and reference. Okay. I should have used refactoring tools of IntelliJ. Anyway, so I have this, and I'm gonna have reference. Okay. I think I can copy this. Okay. Okay, plus 3, yes. And then I'm gonna have, not gonna have a space there, just gonna have this, and references string will go there. I can remove this. Yeah. Okay, and then I have to import should I create a new mod? Okay, actually, I don't think I need to create a new module just for the navbar item, because it's just going to contain one single style, and one single style per file is, it just doesn't make sense in my opinion. So what I'm going to do is just copy this, go back, paste it there, but I'm going to remove all of these. Oh wait, I've imported it already. What? Oh yeah, okay. And the title is going to go here. Yeah, I think that looks good. Okay, I'm happy with that. We don't need this anymore. Oh, but we need to put them in a JSON file now. Okay, these changes are going to propagate up to index.js probably. Okay, data. I think I'm better off. Yeah, better off creating a new JSON. I can have something like this, but I don't want it to be an array. Yeah. Okay, this is good enough. I'm gonna call this navbar. Hero title. That's gonna be my name, and another variable which is called items. Yeah, that's a good name. It's going to be an array, and inside this there will be an item. Wait, there are going to be several elements inside this. One of the items, title, reference. Yeah, this is fine. Let's see what the titles are. Come on. Actually, I don't need to look at there, right? I can just do this. Okay, that looks good. And okay, so where do I use these files? Can I find usages? Oh, actually I can do this. Huh? I forgot where I use these files. Or I must have used, no, they're not here, which means they must be inside home, right? Yes. So content here. Before that, we can have constant navbar close require. That's just going to be the same thing as this, right? And this is going to be navbar. Okay. Okay, that looks good. Oh, but the problem is navbar is not here. Navbar is defined in index.js, right? It's here. It's not. The navbar spans across the interactive CV and home pages. So I am probably better off doing something like this. This is okay. It's getting ugly, but so where is this? So I don't need that. Interesting. Oh. That's odd. Maybe I need to do this. Yeah. Okay. That's fine. I do not remember how to pass props. Let's take a look at one of the old ones. Oh, okay, like this. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to pass. How should I pass that? Yeah, navbar should not be aware of the JSON file. It just needs to take in some props. What I can do is, let's go in the navbar. Oof, this is going to be complicated. This is not a constant, this is a default function. I need to change this to be a constant maybe, and then, but if you change that to be a constant, can I still use hooks? I don't need these anymore. I can just do that. Okay, fine. Just wondering if this will work. Okay. Okay, that works. Okay, let's not worry about passing the properties for now, but let's just put the content in and then we can worry about the properties. MVP is the key. So we can duplicate this, that, and just gonna copy this, paste it there, copy this, paste it there. Okay, that looks cleaner already. What's this? Oh, that might have been the hamburger menu. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's not remove this. Yeah. So we know how to do this now. Okay, that's fine. But how do I pass? So it's just going to ignore it for now, right? Oh. Yeah, it ignores it. Okay, cool. I need to find a way to pass this into the navbar. So let's take a look at one of the constant exports, whatever. Yeah, this is one of them. Let's put this there and let's go back to navbar. We want navbar to look like this. Okay, should not be that difficult to do. So I have these functions. So instead of export default function, I'm just going to call it. Can I just replace the first line with this and be done with it? Seems like I also need to add a semicolon there. So and oh no, this is going to be navbar, and we are going to do this. Okay. Well, that was easy enough. Okay, that works. Now we are going to change this with content. Now that we have the content in there, we are going to replace these with a map call. Let's remember how to do that. It was probably in home JSX. Here. Here's an example. So when you are given a JSON array, okay, so this is going to be content dot, what do we call it? Hero title. That's true. But I don't remember how we passed objects. This is a string, but that's an object. Okay, I remember having an example of that, but I don't know where. So let's take a look at all of the files. That's a string. Prop type string again. There was something like prop type node, or I might just be making up things. I don't know. Not here. Yes, this is it. Okay, I need to add this here. So it's going to be navbar.proptypes. No. So I only have content. Proptypes.node. Well, of course it's required, right? And okay. I'm still learning how to use this keyboard. Okay, content is going to be yeah, it seems similar enough. Should stop complaining. Was it content? Yes, it was content. Okay, apparently we don't need this. Oh, you can say is required, string dot is required, so I can be like, oh, so I don't need to make a default prop. That's how you do it. Okay, that's very cool. I might do some refactoring offline to fix all of these issues, but actually, you know what? I think I should do those things online, so people watching, if they ever watch, can see how I fix the mistakes, how I can show them my learning process, how I go on about fixing stuff around my code. So, well, you learn something new every day. Anyway, that's nice. Good to know. So what else? Yeah, the map function. So I need that. What did I call it? Items. Yeah. Map. Item. Wait, did it just work on the first try? Really? Or, alright, I don't believe it. Let's just do it again. Refresh the page, please. And yeah, it just did work on the first try. Let's check the references and see if they're correct. That's just perfect. Okay, great. Okay, so I had 2 tasks in hand today, and one of the tasks was navbar subcomponents. I said navbar list items could be subcomponents, which we did. So navbar has a subcomponent called navbar item, which is a we can use this to add more links, and also it looks cleaner. I want to keep it, make this part clean as well, but there's nothing that is duplicated, so I don't really need to. We'll see. Okay, and the second task on hand today was change navbar link font color to white, also the header color to yellow. And that yellow is coming from, okay, I did close it. Okay, so we're going to change the color of this, and that is going to be coming from this website. Let's see what this color is. It's an ugly color. Yeah, I know. I'm just going to change it to something that looks better, but I'm just going to do that later. It's not a task of today. Just going to add the colors now, and I'm going to change them later, because changing colors is fairly easy, and adding them is easy as well, but that is not a part of the task, and scope creeping is not something that we should do. We don't allow no, we do not allow scope creeping. And colored link. That sounds racist. Okay. You know what? I'm not going to use British spelling. Colored link. Yes. Because I don't want to create inconsistencies between this and that. Okay. We are going to import this style into here, and we are going to use that in, where is it? Still can't see there. Okay, need to turn this into one of those, $sign there. Make a space, put all these back there, and this should just do it. Done. Getting closer, getting very, very, very close. Yeah, this should be fine for this stream, and I'm probably gonna do another one very soon. Yeah. All right. We still have these things to fix, so stay tuned for the next one, and bye.